Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Slack workspaces using export and third-party retention. Complete guide step by step clearly. To backup your Slack workspaces, start by opening your Slack application or website. Log into your Slack account using your credentials. Navigate to the workspace you wish to backup. Click on your workspace name in the top left corner to access the menu. Select Administration and then click on Workspace Settings. In the Workspace setting, click on it to access export options. Choose the Export tab if you want to download your workspace data. Select the date range for the data you want to export. Choose the type of data to include, such as messages and files. Click on the Export button to begin the process. Wait for the export to complete, as it may take some time depending on the amount of data. Once the export is ready, a download link will be provided. Download the zip file containing your workspace data. If you require longer retention and more complex backups, consider third-party tools. Research third-party applications specializing in Slack data retention and backup. Evaluate options based on reviews, features, and compatibility with Slack. Sign up for the chosen third-party service. Connect your Slack account to the third-party application following their instructions. Configure the backup settings according to your requirements. Choose the frequency of backups and types of data to store. Once configured, the third-party service will automatically backup your Slack workspace according to your set preferences. Regularly check your backups to ensure data integrity and accessibility. Remember to stay compliant with your organization's data retention policies throughout this process. With these steps, you can efficiently backup your Slack workspaces and secure your valuable data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.